The 1950 Cadillac Series 61, priced at $27,500, is a well-documented coupe with 71,000 miles. Only about 11,000 of these were produced that year. The paint is show quality, as are the trim and chrome. The interior is mostly original, with only the carpet and floor mats replaced. Under the hood is the numbers matching 331 V8, rated at 160 horsepower, with minor touch-ups but remaining largely original. A massive amount of documentation accompanies the car, including the original build sheet, showing it was special ordered with an automatic transmission, wide white wall tires, and an accessory group that included a heater, a radio with a rear speaker, and fog lights. The 1947 Buick Super, priced at $22,500, is a post-war luxury icon, finished in deep black with wide white wall tires and elegant chrome trim. It features a straight-eight engine that runs smoothly, a beautifully preserved interior, and classic Buick styling. The paint shines nicely and the car drives and stops as it should. This is a great choice for weekend cruising or taking to shows. The 1950 Pontiac Chieftain Catalina, priced at $23,000, is a hardtop coupe powered by a straight-eight engine, paired with a 4-speed hydromatic transmission. The car has been restored and features new interior, chrome, paint, and suspension. It currently shows 880,000 miles and remains in good condition with a clean title. The 1948 Studebaker Land Cruiser, priced at $14,000, is a stylish sedan with suicide doors and a distinctive design. It has been repainted once back in the 70s and still presents well. The car runs and drives but does leak oil. It has a 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive and features the hill hold option. The wide white wall tires are older but functional. The brakes could use some work but remain operational. It gets a lot of attention at cruisins but hasn't been driven much in the past year. The 1953 Dodge Coronet, priced at $15,000, has been restored and features a straight-six engine. The body and paint have been redone, and the interior has been custom updated with a vintage look, including newly installed seat belts for added safety. The car has a new master cylinder, new points in coil, new plugs and plug wires, and extensive rewiring. A new 6V battery has been installed, though the car also runs on a combination of 12 and 6 volts, with relays controlling voltage regulation. The lights work, and it is described as a super rare 53 Dodge. The 1951 GMC 150, priced at $29,000, is a professionally restored 5-window cab step-side pickup with a frame-off restoration. It retains its matching numbers drivetrain, including the original 6-cylinder engine and a 4-speed manual transmission on the floor. The truck has no rust, having spent most of its life in Oklahoma and California. The undercarriage is as clean as the top. It runs and drives great. Finished in transport blue with excellent body lines, fit and finish. The interior is in great shape and includes the original heater. The 1964 Galaxie OBO, priced at $1,500, is powered by a freshly built 302 V8, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and a Ford 9-inch rear end. The car underwent a frame-off restoration with new floor pans, new suspension, new wiring, new exhaust, a new radiator, and a new interior. The paint and bodywork were completed by an 89-year-old man and are described as amateur, with the transmission occasionally hanging up in 3rd and 4th gears due to needing the shifter. The car has drum brakes all around and lacks heat, air conditioning, power steering, and power brakes. Despite its imperfections, it is a fun and affordable classic. The 1957 Ford Fairlane 500, priced at $24,000, is a well-preserved example with 63,000 miles. It runs and drives great for its age and remains in very good condition. The exterior is finished in black, complemented by a black and white interior. The 1957 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $14,750, is a survivor car with only 2 owners. Over $116,000 has been invested in mechanical work over the past decade to keep it running reliably. It retains its original 312 Y-block engine with a 2-speed Ford automatic transmission, which has been rebuilt. The car includes both a hard top and a soft top, along with a cockpit tonneau cover. It features manual steering, power brakes, and a rebuilt town and country radio with Bluetooth functionality. All gauges and lights work except for the backup lights. The original Holley 600 carburetor was recently rebuilt. The 1948 Ford Super Deluxe, priced at $21,500, is a turnkey classic coupe that has received a significant amount of work to ensure reliability. It is road-ready and being sold on behalf of the owner's great-grandfather. The seller is not looking for trades. The 1951 Ford F1, priced at $23,500, is powered by a carbureted LS 5.3 engine, paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. It features a Holley electric fuel pump, high-pressure fuel lines, 4-wheel disc brakes, and a 9-inch Ford rear end. The gas tank has been relocated to the bed, and the rear suspension has been upgraded to a 4-link setup. The 1960 Chevrolet Impala, priced at $30,000, has been upgraded with an air ride suspension. It also features a new stereo with 4 speakers in the rear deck, new power steering and brakes with drilled and slotted rotors, a new aluminum radiator with an electric fan, and new door panels. Under the hood is a 350 engine with an overdrive transmission, allowing it to cruise comfortably at 80 miles per hour. The 1950 Plymouth Special Deluxe, priced at $14,500, is powered by a fully rebuilt 6-cylinder engine. It has undergone a newer restoration and features a 3-speed manual transmission on the column. The 1951 Ford Custom, priced at $17,000, is a fully customized shoebox with a chopped top, French headlights, tunnel taillights, a sunken antenna, and shaved door handles with remote entry. It is powered by a 302 engine, paired with a 4-speed transmission. The car has air conditioning and a tilt steering wheel, and is described as a comfortable cruiser. The 1954 Chevrolet 3100, priced at $35,000, is a stunning custom truck finished in electric blue paint that turns heads wherever it goes. It features a flawless brand new interior, suspension, and wheels. Under the hood, there's a powerful 454 engine with a Stinger 2 fuel injection system, delivering smooth performance. The truck is equipped with dolphin gauges, all of which function properly, and it cruises comfortably at 70 to 80 miles per hour without exceeding 180 degrees. While there are a few small scratches and dings, it is otherwise in excellent condition and ready to drive across the country without hesitation. The 1951 NGTD, priced at $19,500, is a beautifully maintained classic with only 1,382 miles on a rebuilt engine. Over $50,000 has been invested in its restoration, ensuring it runs and drives exceptionally well. This classic British roadster is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner. The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $13,000, is a flat black sedan with a satin flame job, giving it a bold street rod appearance. It's powered by a 283 V8 engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. Performance upgrades include a 600 CFM Holley carburetor, an aluminum intake headers, and a 2.5-inch exhaust with Flowmaster Super 10 mufflers. It retains its original rear axle with 3.70 gears and features a brand new interior, except for the headliner. It needs a wiper motor, and while the transmission and cables move freely under the dash, additional adjustments may be needed. The 1959 Austin Healey 106 BN6, priced at $38,000, is a rare and desirable two-seat roadster, with only 285 left-hand drive BN6 models exported to North America. It features a 2,639 straight-six engine with dual SU carburetors, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission with overdrive. The car underwent a major restoration in the 90s and has been driven sparingly since, remaining stored in a climate-controlled environment. It holds a clean Virginia title under the current owner's name. The 1931 Ford Model A, priced at $10,000, is an all-steel build sitting on 32 rails. It's powered by a 350 engine with a dual-quad cross-ram intake, paired with a 350 automatic transmission. The car runs and drives exceptionally well and comes with a clean title. It is described as a traditional-style hot rod, priced fairly for its quality. The 1929 Ford Model A pickup, priced at $34,500, is a high-performance custom hot rod finished in striking red. It features a powerful 383 engine with a blower, an air conditioning system, and a 9-inch rear end. The truck sits on polished wheels with flared fenders and modern LED lighting. It's built for both power and style, with a fully customized chassis.